Hey everyone, welcome to urtechduck. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to set up your Calendly account in just a few minutes. Let's get started. Go to calendly.com. You can sign up using Google or Microsoft. For the best experience, use Google to easily sync your calendar. Press Sign up with Google, and choose your Google account. Click Continue. Next, connect your calendar. Calendly syncs with Google Calendar, so you never get double booked. Just allow permissions, and Calendly will automatically sync your schedule. Now just add your information to enhance your experience, and make sure that everything is ready. Once everything is set up, copy your Calendly link and share it via email, social media, or even embed it on your website. Now, people can book meetings with you effortlessly, and that's it. You've just set up your Calendly account in minutes. If this was helpful, be sure to like and subscribe to urtechduck for more tech tips. See you in the next one.